In some of the world's most dangerous places, there lives an animal that knows no fear. One wrong step could mean the end of life. This is the amazing world of goats. Goats live in many parts of the world. Some goats live high in snowy mountains. Others survive in harsh deserts. Domestic goats living alongside humans can also be found across the globe. The secret of a goat's incredible abilities lies in its feet. Their split hooves provide exceptional grip and balance. Goats can climb places where humans would never dare to go, even on cliffs steeper than 60 degrees. The tree-climbing goats of Morocco are famous around the world. Some goats can live at altitudes above 3,000 meters. Goats do not like living alone. They are highly social animals. Within just a few hours after birth, young kids begin to walk. Their playful nature wins the hearts of many. Mother goats carefully protect and care for their young. Goats are herbivores, feeding mainly on plants. They are also extremely curious animals. In the wild, many predators hunt goats. But their speed and climbing skills often save their lives. For thousands of years, goats have helped human societies survive and thrive. For many families around the world, goats are an important source of livelihood. They may look ordinary, but goats are true warriors of nature. Let's respect goats and love nature.